What's going on, guys, and welcome to my channel. And today I'm gonna show you how to make $200 per day just by typing. Now you don't have to be good with this to start, so stay tuned for that.
So I can learn how to love.
And guys, the awesome thing that I'm about to show you in this video, even if you're stuck at writing, you still can make money with this company. So you can still make $200 a day online, and that's what I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. But guys, before we can start, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I came up videos every single day teaches you exactly how to make money online and how you guys can work from home and how you guys can become an entrepreneur. So hit the subscribe button and push the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload the videos. That was pretty much every day. And guys, if you want to learn how to generate full-time passive income right at working from home, this is what I am doing and I'm just absolutely loving it. So click on the first link in the description of this video, my #1 recommended system that teaches you exactly how to go from zero to $1,000 a day online. It's a free webinar that teaches you step by step how to start an online business. And guys, the people who have gone through the system are now generating 5 figures a month online. So it's 100% free. So guys, click on the link in the description of this video. And guys, if you can find some value on this video, don't forget to give me thumbs up. And if you have any question regarding this video, so feel free to comment below in the comment box and I try to answer them all. So for that, let's get started in this video. Okay guys, the website I'm going to show you right now is called textbroker.com. So it's the name of this company and it's going to be right here. You can go directly by textbroker.com. Now guys, this company right here has been around for years, and what awesome about it, they work with major companies and they also work with small companies as well. Now you have to pay attention because that's where you come here in at that how you gonna be able to make money, guys. So you're gonna be writing for these company, and just to name a few, let me scroll down here. So you can see you got Yoast here, guys. Yoast is basically a company that creates software for WordPress. So and there is another company called Stable and another one called eBay. eBay is a big company and everybody knows about that. So guys, it's really legit. It's a legit company. So don't think this some kind of a scam here. If you want to make money, you're gonna have to stop thinking everything is scam. I know it's everybody, but a small percentage of you, they just believe this was a scam, but it's not. Okay guys, so you see the companies that they work with, and that's just a small percentage that I like to show you here, but there are thousands of companies, guys, that they work with textbroker.com. And now I am going to show you right here where it says I write content. So click here where it says why write for Textbroker, and I'm going to show you why you write for Textbroker. So guys, the main reason why you write for Textbroker, because it's 100% free. So there is a free registration. You don't have to pay any money out of pocket to get started with this company. Guys, like I said, there is no selling, weekly payoff. You get paid weekly here, guys. Now you gotta have a balance of $10 in order for withdrawal your money out. That doesn't mean you can just make a $10 and you can make way more than that. You got to have your account up at least $10 before you can withdraw the money. So direct access to the project Textbroker, recruit clients you choose from thousands of helpful feedback. So Textbroker got a team of people, guys, that's experience in this, and they will give you feedback on your article to make you better. Guys, they are gonna rate you on a star or a system, give you 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, and up to 5 star. So flexible time management, guys, write on your own time as often as you like, guys. And you got weekly payoff, so Textbroker pay you for your article as soon as the client accepts them. So you can request weekly payoff as soon as you earn $10 or more. And guys, they have also a helpful feedback. They have an experienced team of editors regularly rate your article and provide you with helpful tips on how you guys refine your writing skills. And guys, at the last, free writing resources, so stay on the top writing trends of our blog tutorial video. Now guys, I'm gonna show you how the payments and everything work. So we're gonna scroll up here at the top, and we are gonna go to payments. So guys, you get paid by how many stars you got here. So if you're just starting, I know a lot of guys not would write, if you are right out the gate, you make a bunch of money. Start now. Don't get discouraged, because even if you're not good, let's say if you got 2 star, you get paid 0.7 cents per word, guys. And if you're 3 star, if you're making pretty decent writer, you get paid 1 cent per word. And guys, if you are a 5-star writer, you can get paid up to 5 cents per word. And I'm gonna show you what all that means. Now your goal here is to always get better. Like I said, they provide you with the training and everything you got. They're gonna go in and check out what you are doing to make you better. So if you stick with this, you're gonna get good and you're gonna make the good amount of money by doing this. But like I said there, I'm gonna show you how to be simplified. So guys, the next, let's check out a little bit more about this company here. Let's see how this Textbroker works. So I'm gonna go and click here. So like I said guys, registration is free. Submit a writing sample. So they are gonna check out, they're gonna check out where you are qualify. If you guys qualify, so they are gonna rate you straight from the beginning when you submit an article. Guys, you are gonna either be 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, or 5 star. Third, your rating 4th complete, your author profile 5th. Start writing for it, guys. It's just simple as that. It's a 5-step process you have to follow. So guys, here it is. You can check it out. I'll leave a link in the description of this video, so you can check it out, textbroker.com. Now guys, if I tell you there is a easier way you can start. So if you want to learn more, click on the first link in the description of this video. My #1 recommended system that teaches you exactly how to go from $0 to $1,000 a day online. It's a completely free webinar that teaches you exactly how to start an online business. And people are going through this system that are absolutely awesome. People are making like 5 figures a month online doing that. So if you want to learn more, click on the first link in the description of this video. And guys, if you find out any value of this video, don't forget to give me thumbs up. And guys, if you have any question regarding this video, feel free to comment below and I try to answer them all. And guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. From now I am signing off, and have a nice day.